Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the ASTRO A50 not connecting to Xbox. Step by step wireless setup guide. Solution 1. Reset the ASTRO A50 base station and headset. So reset the headset and turn on your ASTRO A50 headset. Now press and hold the Dolby buttons and the game buttons on the right ear cup at the same time. Now keep holding both buttons for 15 to 20 seconds until the headset power off or restart. Now place the headset back on the base station and allow it to reconnect. Next one, reset the base station. So disconnect the base station USB cable from your Xbox. Wait 30 seconds and reconnect the USB cable and allow the base station to boot completely. Check whether the headset reconnect automatically. Solution 3. Disconnect and reconnect your Astro A50. If the headset fails to pair with the base station, reconnect it can refresh the wireless connection. Remove the headset from the base station. Disconnect the base station USB cable from the Xbox and wait about 30 seconds. Plug the USB cable back into the Xbox. Place the headset back on and charging dock. Wait until the charging or pairing light becomes steady and test the headset audio and microphone. Solution 3. Restart your Xbox Series X. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Restart Console. Choose Restart and after the console finishes rebooting, check whether the Astro A50 connects normally. The solution 4. Power cycle your Xbox Series X. Turn off the Xbox completely. Press and hold the power button on the console for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Now unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait 2 to 3 minutes. Plug the power cable back in and turn the Xbox on and again and reconnect the Astro A50 base station. The solution 5. Connect the base station to a PC first. So disconnect the base station from the Xbox. Now you can simple reconnect it to a Windows PC or Mac using the USB cable. Now wait for the computer to recognize the device. If you have the Logitech G Hub or Astro Command Center installed, allow it to detect the headset and install any available firmware update. Now safely disconnect the base station from the PC and reconnect it to the Xbox and test the connection. The solution 6. Use a different USB port. So disconnect the base station from its current USB port, plug it into the another USB port on your Xbox Series X. Then avoid using Xbox hub or extension cable and wait a few seconds for the Xbox to recognize the device. Now you can check if the headset reconnects successfully. The solution 7 is switch to base station to Xbox mode. So locate the PC and Xbox mode, switch to the base station. Move the switch to Xbox mode and if it already set to Xbox, switch it to PC and wait 10 seconds. Then switch it to back to Xbox and restart the headset if necessary. Now verify that your Xbox detects the headset and audio is working properly. Goodbye and thanks for watching.